Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my first salmon fishing video. Today I went out and went fishing at my secret little fishing spot that everybody knows about, but I'm still not going to tell you. I'll tell you it was in the Puget Sound, north Puget Sound. So anyways, you'll see the video in a minute. Just thought I'd show you one more time before I take it apart. Probably the biggest salmon I've caught so far. It's just a coho. It looks a little bent. I heard somewhere, I can't remember who told me, but I heard that freezing a salmon, or at least chilling it, will make it easier to fillet. So we're gonna try it. I stuck it in the freezer for a while. Before that, it was all curled up because I had it in a plastic bag to bring it home. So it's a little misshapen, but I think as I fillet it, it'll thaw out and flatten out a little bit. So anyways, there's the salmon. One more time. Just a coho salmon. Caught it today. And now for the video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm juggling a dog here. My reel feels really strange today. It probably needs to be oiled. My dog keeps wrapping around my legs, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna stand in the water. Okay, reel feels better now. Maybe there's a piece of sand in it. Yeah, if I stand in the water, she can't wrap around me. So that's awesome. I guess I gotta stand back a little bit for her though. So I got the local news from the fishermen that are out here, and apparently ain't nothing out here. Nothing's biting. One guy caught a wild coho. That's all I've heard of. I don't see anybody with fish either. We're at the absolute lowest tide right now. I'm catching kelp because I don't have to record it on my catch card. Looks like you're tipped up a little bit. That better? Yeah, that's better. You kicked back like you're a gangster. Trying something a little new today with the dog. We're just gonna leave her attached to my backpack the whole day. She's gonna guard me against pickpockets. Well, this is tough. The reason we're here again is because it's going to be easy. We're not going to get some coffee. But this is going to get some. The dog wants to chase my Uber. He thinks it's a game. I'm really not important to have a whatever. today. I understand. What's going on? We'll be sold soon. We'll be sold. Down here, very good. It is. What do you reckon? Huh? What's up? Oh. I'm not sure what to do. Just okay. She just wants to be free, and I'm going to make her free. You know, the weekend all day. Set up a big job board account today. You can absolutely handle mine. Fish on. It's a big one. He's a big boy. Is he wild? I don't know. That's a keeper. All right, give me. Far from shore. All right, that is a big ass keeper. I don't know. He's looking kind of. Oh, he spit my hook. Well, do I have him? I think I got him. Can't tell what he is though. That is a coho right there, and he just got me fishy. No adipose fin. Cool. Now what to do with him? Should we just leave? Caught my fish. I don't have a bonker, so we're just gonna have to get a rock. Guess I could use my... Oh yeah. Now we have a problem. Okay, we'll use a bag. Alright guys, I caught a fish.